Hey, second graders, my name's Mrs. Johnson, and I am so excited to be your classroom teacher this year. I couldn't imagine a better way to welcome you virtually than sharing one of my favorite stories with you. But there's a trick. We're only going to read about half of the story today, and then once we get into school, we'll finish the story. So read along with me. The story's called Jabari Jumps. I'm jumping off the diving board today, Jabari told his dad. Really? Said his dad. The diving board was high and maybe a little scary. But Jabari had finished his swimming lessons and passed his swim test, and now he was ready to jump. I'm a great jumper, said Jabari, so I'm not scared at all. Jabari watched the other kids climb the long ladder. They walked all the way out to the end of the board, as big as tiny bugs. Then they stood on the edge. They spread their arms and bent their knees and sprang up, up, up. And then they dove down, down, down. Splash! Looks easy, Jabari said. But when his dad squeezed his hand, Jabari squeezed back. Jabari stood at the bottom of the ladder. He looked up. You can go before me if you want, he told the kid behind him. I need to think about what kind of special jump I'm going to do. Jabari thought and thought. Jabari started to climb up and up. This ladder is very tall, he thought. Are you okay? Called his dad. I'm just a little tired, said Jabari. Maybe you should climb down and take a tiny rest, said his dad. A tiny rest sounded like a good idea. When he got to the bottom, Jabari remembered something. I forgot to do my stretches, he said to his dad. Stretching is very important, his dad said. I think tomorrow might be a better day for jumping, Jabari said. They looked up at the diving board together. It's okay to feel a little scared, said his dad. Sometimes, if I feel a little scared, I take a deep breath and tell myself, I am ready. And you know what? Sometimes it stops feeling scary and feels a little like a surprise. Jabari loved surprises. Second graders, I know last year was probably a surprise for you as you didn't get to finish first grade in person with your first grade teacher. Second grade is going to be a surprise like no other. We're going to go on an adventure together, and the best part is that we're in this all together, and I can't wait to see you on the first day of school. And if you're feeling nervous, if you're feeling anxious, even if you're feeling excited, just know you can take a deep breath and think about it's going to be a surprise, and we're all going to do this together. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.